Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting pause, play, and seek issues in jriver Media Center with DLNA. This tutorial addresses common problems encountered when using jriver Media Center, JMC, as a DLNA server and experiencing difficulties with pause, play, and seek functionality on DLNA clients. We'll explore potential causes, diagnostic steps, and solutions, including code examples where relevant, though jriver's core functionality is not directly accessible through user-level coding. Understanding the DLNA ecosystem. DLNA, Digital Living Network Alliance, is a standard for streaming media between devices on a home network. However, its implementation can be inconsistent across different manufacturers and software. Problems with pause, play, and seek often stem from a mismatch in capabilities between the JMC server and the DLNA client. 2. Common causes of pause/play/seek failure. 1. Incompatible client *. The DLNA client might not fully support all features of the DLNA standard, especially advanced functionalities like seeking. Older or less sophisticated devices are particularly prone to this issue. 2. Network issues *. Poor network connectivity, high latency, packet loss, can disrupt the streaming process, leading to playback problems. Buffering issues can prevent seamless seeking. 3. JMC configuration *. Incorrect settings within JMC can interfere with DLNA functionality. This includes incorrect media library paths, network settings, and DLNA server settings. 4. Media file issues * Problems with the media file itself, corrupted file, unsupported codec, etc., can prevent proper playback or seeking. 5. Firewall/router interference * Firewalls or routers might be blocking the necessary network ports for DLNA communication. 6. Resource limitations * If the JMC server is under heavy load, example many users accessing files simultaneously, resource-intensive tasks running concurrently, it might not be able to respond adequately to pause, play, and seek commands. 3. Diagnostic steps and troubleshooting. 1. Verify client compatibility * Consult the documentation for your DLNA client to check its DLNA capabilities and compatibility. Some clients advertise full DLNA support but have limitations in practice. 2. Check network connectivity * Use network diagnostic tools, ping, traceroute, to test the connection between the JMC server and the client. Ensure a stable network with sufficient bandwidth. Look for packet loss or high latency, which indicate network problems. 3. Examine JMC logs * JMC provides extensive logging. Navigate to the log files, location varies depending on your OS, and look for errors related to DLNA, playback, or network communication during the time of the issue. This is crucial for pinpointing the source of the problem. Search for keywords like DLNA, error, seek, pause, play, and the name of your client device. 4. Test with different media files * Try playing different video files, different formats, codecs, resolutions, to determine if the problem is specific to certain file types. This helps to isolate whether the issue is with the media file itself or with the DLNA setup. 5. Check JMC DLNA server settings * In JMC, access the DLNA server settings, typically under Settings - Network - DLNA server. Verify that the server is enabled and configured correctly. Ensure that the correct library paths are specified and that the necessary ports are open. 6. Temporarily disable firewalls and antivirus * As a test, temporarily disable firewalls and antivirus software on both the JMC server and the DLNA client to see if they are interfering. If this resolves the issue, you'll need to configure exceptions in your firewall/antivirus for JMC and the necessary DLNA ports. 7. Restart devices. Restarting both the JMC server and the DLNA client can often resolve temporary glitches. 8. Update JMC and client firmware. Ensure that JMC and your DLNA client have the latest firmware updates installed. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. 9. Test with different clients. If possible, try using a different DLNA client to rule out a client-specific issue. This helps isolate the problem to either the server or the client device. 4. Example code, conceptual, not direct JMC manipulation. jriver Media Center's internal workings are not directly accessible via user-supplied code. The following is a conceptual example illustrating how a hypothetical API might handle seeking. This is not actual JMC code. This example shows how a properly implemented API might work. However, jriver does not expose such an API for direct manipulation of playback controls through external scripts. The primary method of control is through the JMC interface itself and its remote control capabilities. Advanced troubleshooting. If all the above steps fail, more advanced troubleshooting might be necessary, including network analysis tools. Use professional-grade network analysis tools, like Wireshark, to capture and analyze network traffic between the JMC server and the DLNA client. This allows for detailed examination of the communication protocol and identification of specific network errors. Reinstallation of JMC. In some cases, reinstalling JMC might resolve deeper issues related to corrupted configuration files or installation problems. Seeking assistance from jriver support. If all else fails, contact jriver's support team for assistance. They can provide expert-level troubleshooting and specific guidance related to your setup. By systematically working through these steps and understanding the potential causes, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue preventing pause, play, and seek functionality in your jriver Media Center DLNA setup. Remember that careful observation of logs and testing with different variables are crucial for effective troubleshooting.